Hello everybody, welcome back to the Level 1 Kitchen where you can find easy to make meals and desserts. I am your humble host, Outlawshawn, and today I have something very special for you to show that special someone in your life that you really care. Today I'm going to show you how to make a barbecue chicken tart. Now for this, you're going to need your onion, you'll need some already grilled chicken, some biscuits, and some barbecue sauce. To start, heat up your chicken. Then you want to go ahead and dice it up into nice sized pieces. You can sit in a bowl, have it wait on the side. Next, you want to go ahead and cut you up some onions. You want to dice about enough to get you half a cup. After cutting up your onions, you want to go ahead and get you a saucepan. Add a little butter. Then you want to go ahead and add in your onions. Let it cook for a little bit until the butter melts down. Then you can add some seasonings like salt and pepper. You want to just keep stirring occasionally. Then you can let it sit for a bit so the onions can get nice and brown. Now that your onions had time to brown in, you want to go ahead and add in your diced chicken. Stirring up the two a bit. Let them sit on the flames to get real acquainted. Then you want to go ahead and add in your barbecue sauce. From here on out, you just want to mix it up, turn down the flames a little bit and let it sit in the pot and simmer. While your chicken and onions is simmering, you can go ahead and grease your cupcake pan. Next, you want to get your biscuit and you want to flatten them as best as you can. You want to get into a nice circular shape, kind of like making mini pieces. Then you can place it into the cupcake pan. And you want to try and line up the edges where it's almost like making a cup. Now that you're done lining your tray with your biscuits, your chicken and onion mixture should be nice and ready to go. You want to go ahead and get your pot. You can add in some cheese beforehand to let it melt down in there. Then you want to go ahead and get a nice spoonful and just pack it in there as best you can. And you just want to repeat this until you fill up all your cups. Next, you can pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Take them out, let them cool for another 15 minutes, and then you'll be ready to serve them up to that special someone that you've been waiting on. And with that, another video is done. Hopefully you really did like this recipe. I actually really tried on this one. It may not seem like it because everything I touch is gold. And no, I'm not hyping myself up, but enough with me. If you really did like this video, be sure to like the video, comment down below. Nobody's really commenting at me lately. I wish somebody would talk to me more, but whatever. Be sure to subscribe, hit that little red box. If not, hit this little cute baby face right here next to this other video that you should also check out. And also hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I do post up another video. Sooner or later I will be throwing gameplay videos into this channel, but it's been tough with work and all that. But thank you again for sitting through another one of my videos. I'll catch you soon. Have a good day. Later.